Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to track the calories or amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the calories in few ways on this watch. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that info. So if you wake up the screen on your watch, some of the watch faces will show you the calories burned. This one doesn't, so we can open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Oh, let me go back and press and hold the button again, like this. Then tap on watch face. Scroll through the list of watch faces. If you don't have any here, tap on add new. Scroll through the templates and look for something that displays the calories. And if you can't find anything that displays the calories, we can simply customize the watch faces. So actually, let's do that. So let's find some watch face, select it, add it to the list. And now we have more than one. And let's say this one is the one that we prefer. We can press the start button to open this menu. Then we can tap on data. And here you can scroll through the list of pools, data pools, and you can select one. And once it's pulsating like this, you can then press the start button to select it. And then you can swipe up and down to scroll through the list of features. And we're looking for the calories, so let's find it. Oh, there it is. And now we have the calories on the watch face. We can press the start button. Then we can press the back button, tap on apply. And now we have the watch face that displays the calories burned. You can also do this through the glances. So if you swipe up on the home screen to open the glances menu, come on. By default, you probably won't see the calories glance because by default it's not here. So you need to tap on edit, add, and then find the calories and tap on it to add it. Then you can go back and the calories will appear on the glance in the glance menu. And here we can see the progress and you can tap on it to see the graph and other stats. Okay, and the last way, which is the most detailed one, is the phone application. So basically on the phone that is paired with your watch, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Garmin Connect application and there you can check more info. So let's zoom out the camera like this. Open the Garmin Connect application. In the app you can tap on more, health stats, and then calories. And here you can check the graph for day, 7 days, 4 weeks, 1 year, and basically you can check the yearly data, weekly data, 4 weeks data, and stuff like that. So you have quite more data if your watch is paired with a phone. Okay, and that's how you track or check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.